a grand salute and a big round of applause for the entire MSME fraternity of the country. I will take a couple of minutes to explain how Finance Crafter Enterprises is instrumental in helping the MSMEs by taking you through a small slides. I laid this foundation after being a banker. I had been in service for more than a decade. And because of a very good acumen about the financial knowledge in the industry, I started this foundation wherein we give financial and digital services to our clients. We started with very few products like mutual funds, bonds, fixed deposits, insurance. Then we started adding on more projects like business loans, project financing. The benefit of being attached to our firm comes out wherein an MSME who goes out for any financial assistance to a bank, for example, for lending, for anything, they go and go to different banks, and they have to go through all the hustle of meeting every banker, every financial institution, going through all their processes and everything. We become as FCE, we try to become a one-stop solution wherein they just come to us. We being aligned to all kinds of financial institutions in the country available today, we present their file and get the financial assistance relevant to them. So that is how we as Finance Crafter Enterprises are trying to extend whatever help we can through this initiative. Secondly, we are also being ecosystem partner of Wadhwani Foundation, wherein we are trying to make SMEs grow on the transformational scale in terms of technology. So I think this would be taken care by Samir ji when this would be presented by him on part of Wadhwani Foundation. FCE is also working very cohesively for SMEs as well as for startups. So we are working in terms of startup programs, mentoring programs for SMEs, for startups in institutions, universities, colleges, whatever available, so that the young minds, they come up with bright ideas and solutions. They just do not die because they are not getting proper mentoring. So this is about us. And three types of solutions that we provide: the financial solutions that I told already about, the financial products that are available with us. Then we have investment advisory, and then we also have outsourced services wherein we have collaborations with attorneys and lawyers of the country. We have collaborations with chartered accountants of the country. We have a specific team of digital marketing solutions and payment solutions, payment gateways, invoicing solutions. So all these, you can say it is like a one-stop solution for any MSME, wherein they just enter and they just get any service that is required. That is a basic necessity of any MSME. So being attached to us, it says that we extend as we take each client. In fact, we started this initiative on the World Earth Day, that every client we get, we will plant a tree in the name of that client. So we treat our clients very, very decisively, very personally, and we try every instance that no client just goes just like that. We try to end-to-end service the entire client fraternity. So this is about us. Recently, because the foundation of this event, Upscale and Upgrade MSMEs of Uttar Pradesh, it laid down just because Wadhwani Foundation reached out to us and asked that we need to do something in the state of Uttar Pradesh. And through the partnership, we tried to make 1,000 role model SMEs in Uttar Pradesh, and that is how we reached out to CII. And today, this collaboration with M1xchange has happened. So I would now extend the explanation about the entire thing. Finance part is taken by us. Technology part would be rendered by Wadhwani Foundation, and finance part would also be taken up by M1xchange, and that would attain to the ultimate growth of 2x to 10x of the entire MSME fraternity.